OneKey Wallet Fingerprint Setup. How to add biometrics to OneKey Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. So today we will learn how to add biometrics to OneKey Wallet. So make sure to watch the video till the end. To add biometrics to OneKey Wallet, launch OneKey Wallet and just tap on the multiple dots icon located at the top right hand corner of the screen. When you come to this page, you want to go to this option under wallet that says security. Now before that, you can also try going to this gear icon which says settings, and from here also you can directly navigate to the security tab right here. So go to security. Now from security, if you look towards the very top, you'll find an option called biometric. So if you want to enable the toggle on the right hand side, you'll find the toggle. Just turn on this toggle right here, and for once just verify with your biometric if it asks you to. And once you've done that, you'll be able to add your biometrics to OneKey Wallet. This way you can add biometrics to OneKey Wallet. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.